Welcome today one of your psychology journey, the science behind how we think, feel, and act. Take a second. When's the last time you felt truly happy, or stressed, or just plain confused? That's psychology in action, shaping every moment of your life, whether you notice it or not. Most people think psychology is just therapists and mental health diagnoses, but it's so much bigger. It explains how we learn, why we fall in love, what drives our choices, and how habits form, good or bad. At its core, psychology has four main goals: to describe, explain, predict, and influence behavior. Imagine a student who freezes up before every test. A psychologist would first describe that anxiety, then explain it. Maybe it's linked to past experiences. They'd predict it might happen again, and find ways to help the student manage it. There are tons of branches in psychology. Some focus on the brain itself, others on childhood development, relationships, memory, or personality. And psychologists don't just work in clinics, they're in schools, hospitals, offices, even police departments. It all started in the late 1800s with Wundt's first psychology lab. From there, people like Freud and Skinner pushed the field forward, digging into the unconscious and the power of rewards. So, why should you care? Because psychology shapes your habits, your decisions, your relationships, your entire life. Over the next 30 days, I'll walk you through everything from memory to mental health, so you can actually see the science behind your everyday experiences. Ready to dig in? Let's get started.